Say the Vakyam. The Lord is my
shepherd.
Jesus is.
Lord.
Good job. The wages of sin is
Death.
death. Good job. Obey your.
Princess.
Good. We are God's
Children.
Oh, good job. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of.
Huh?
The fear of the Lord is the beginning of.
Freedom.
Oh, very good. Where the Spirit of the Lord is, there is
Freedom.
freedom. Good job. Okay, Mona, will you say Psalms 121, please? Psalms 121.
I live. I.
Good job. I lift my eyes. Come on, say. Riya knows Psalms 121. Para. I lift my eyes.
And a story.
Mama Paraya. Mommy will tell you a story. First you say Vakyam. Psalms 121. I lift my eyes.
I lift eyes to his and high confirm. I confirm Lord make heaven and earth.
He will not